You may ask yourself, why am I wearing a helmet? I'm going to be racing Patrick in a drag race. 77 truck against 77 truck. And it's going to be awesome. 5-3 versus 5-3. And I've discovered some new news today that I will be, instead of installing a SM465, I will be installing a Turbo 350 automatic transmission. I think that's going to help me a lot. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. Patrick, you're going down, Bud Rub. Because it's just going to be fast, and it's going to be awesome. April is when we're doing this. April. So we've got roughly 4 months, a little less, to get my truck ready for the track and Patrick's truck ready for the track. And we're going to have some polls up to see who wins, and I'll put up a time and date and place on when this is going to go down. We haven't got the schedule yet for the track, but we're going to race, and it's going to be awesome. And Pat, you're going down, bud, bro.